Alright guys, as you can see, I'm gonna be traveling and I'm gonna have a vacation and I'm going to New York City. It wouldn't be a Tyler Tran video without a journey montage. My flight leaves in a couple of hours. We got an airport to catch, so let's go. The lines are so big here, it's literally insane. Swedish fish, Fanta, a Rubik's Cube, and I'm also watching a good movie. Living the life, living the life.
Oh, this is your pilot speaking. We have a situation here where the right engine of the plane will explode in 3 seconds. So you guys better get ready for that in 3, 2...
So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the mood, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone.
That was like 3 hours on the plane. It's not as bad as a 24-hour trip all the way to Vietnam. We got an Uber waiting for us, so let's get to the hotel. That was a long flight. Right, Mom? Not really that long, but it's just going from state to state. New York City is different than what I thought. There's a lot of people just out in the middle of the night. It's literally 12:47 right now. And some people are still up.
Yeah, people don't sleep or what? What the fuck now and people are still awake?
Hey Siri, how many people live in New York City?
The population of New York City was 8,804,190.
Wow, that's like 88, probably 100 times more of the population in our own city. Bro, I swear, Jack Sparrow lives here too. I saw a freaking pirate ship outside near like a freaking highlighter house or something. Like, change of scenery, yo. I don't want to disturb my parents right now. Like I said, I'm surprised that people are still up. I'm not surprised that I'm still up because our time zone is actually an hour before New York City. But yeah, this is practically day 0 of staying in New York. Tomorrow's day 1. I'm gonna get some Z's and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow then. Ending the recording here. Damn!
Wake up!
3, 2, boom. I got swagger now. Alright, now we're going to like a park or something, Battery Park or something. We got like a whole entire list of things to do for the next couple of days. Now we're walking to Battery Park from our hotel, and then we're gonna go to the Brooklyn Bridge. Man, it's sketchy walking out here. I feel not safe for some reason. I want Spider-Man to swoop down and save me if I'm in trouble. I just saw a helicopter. This is my first time in like a really big city like this. It's insane, bro. Got the po-po chasing me. I ain't do nothing wrong. Jaywalking in front of the police. Feels like New York to me. We are at Castle Clinton right now. Went inside it for like 2 minutes and got out. Too boring. Now I'm just waiting for dim sum. What the hell am I supposed to do at a park? Like I don't even know what the frick. Yo, the view is so nice here, and we're gonna be going to the World Trade Center tomorrow, and we're gonna be eating at a restaurant there. But right now, we're just trying to get to a dim sum place. You know how Asian people love dim sum, so let's freaking go. Yo, what the frick is that? the original and world famous Brooklyn Ice Cream Factory.
This crap is expensive, bro. What the frick?
I got the ice cream here. Tastes like ice cream. So there I was, with my cookies and cream ice cream on the bench, looking like an absolute maniac while eating it right next to my father, whose face I had to blur out for privacy reasons. It was good ice cream, you know, everything was going well until my dad said our Uber driver was coming to get us.
You still eating? You still recording?
But he's here already?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I finished my ice cream under a tree, looking as suspicious as a person keeping furries in their basement. Luckily enough, I ate the ice cream before the Uber driver arrived. I just don't like to eat in other people's cars and get them messy, you know what I mean? Oh, what the frick is with the explosions here, bro? Is that normal? Is that normal at all? What the frick? We went to the grocery market nearby. It was like a mini grocery store. We got like 2 Fiji bottles, got like $5 Nutter Butters, $5 Gatorade, and Canada Dry. You already know how it is. Everything's expensive here in New York, other than where we live. But that place we ate, it wasn't so bad as our first restaurant, except that we ordered a lot of food and we did not finish it at all. Is there someone at the door? Oh, so weirdo. He brought Oreos and he kept it in grandma's suitcase. Oh, Oreos. Oh, God. Yeah, we might be going on a helicopter flight. And then we're gonna soon go eat dinner at a steakhouse. But right now, it's only 2 o'clock right now. So yeah, now we're just waiting. I might hit the gym between times, but wherever the next clip will be, it's either at the helicopter, at the dinner, or at the gym. I don't know, whatever. Alright, me and my family just got ready and we're going to a literal $4 sign Korean restaurant. Literally $4 signs. It's in the thousands range. It's called Korean Steakhouse and it is a steakhouse. Serving steak. My family wants Kobe and Wagyu beef, all that good stuff, so we're gonna get some. It's pretty dark in here. I have to up my exposure up on my phone. It's so dark in here. You don't know how dark it is in here. There's a grill here, so we're gonna be like cooking our own food, I guess. There might be some good beef here that we're gonna eat, so that's gonna be pretty nice. This place has $4 signs, like I said earlier, so it might be a little spendy, but it shouldn't be too bad, right? We got here American Black Angus, American Wagyu, and the specialty Japanese Wagyu. And it seems that they have the A5 Japanese Wagyu, which to my knowledge is the best cut of Wagyu out there. So it seems like my family is getting the butcher's feast, which has included American Wagyu beef, but not the A5 Japanese Wagyu. Bro, they got freaking gold spoons too. This place is not cheap. Seriously though, my family might have to sell our house after we eat here. They freaking brought hot dogs for the 4th of July. Let's try this hot dog. This is the most regular hot dog I've ever eaten in my life. Alright guys, the next part of this video is just me trying out the 4 stages of beef. Basically in the butcher's feast, we are eating 2 lower end beefs, and then we're going to be eating 2 different American Wagyu beefs. This part is going to be a little quick because the quality is pretty bad, especially because I'm recording in the dark, and for some reason it's just really dark in the restaurant. But anyways, here is the steak eating. The first cut of beef is what I have no idea what the hell it's even called. Note to everyone that all these cuts of beef are cooked to medium rare for maximum juiciness and flavor. But this steak tasted pretty good and was juicy, but a little tough to chew, so I'm going to give this a 6 out of 10. But it has good flavor, but if only the consistency was better. The second cut of beef was a 45-day dry-aged ribeye. Tastes pretty much the same as the last cut of beef with the juiciness and stuff, but a little softer. I'm gonna have to give this a 7 out of 10. It's a little step up. Now we are heading on to the American Wagyus. First one is called the Flat Iron. Very juicy, cooked to perfection, just has that soft texture and is so easy to chew. Gonna have to give it a solid 9 out of 10. Would eat again if I had the money. The final cut, American Wagyu ribeye. Now this one is just so good.
it just melts in your mouth, gives you maximum juice levels that are unimaginable. 10 out of 10 all day long. Just love the flavor and the consistency and everything about. Would also eat again if I was as rich as CoryxKenshin. At the end, they gave us some luxurious vanilla ice cream that had the caramel/watermelon drizzle, different from regular caramel drizzle, but with a hint of watermelon that just hits the spot. Sorry that the quality is crap because of the lighting and you guys couldn't get a good look at the beef as good as I did. You guys are gonna have to try this place out for yourself to know the experience. After eating at the steakhouse, we went to watch the fireworks since it was the 4th of July, but this was our view.
Crap again. So that was a very trashy fireworks show. No ending whatsoever. No finale where they just shoot all their fireworks into the air and make a giant explosion that you will hear across the state. They did that in my hometown, and my hometown is like 88 times smaller than this place. But they I don't know, do they not have the budget or something? Like, how did they have the budget to make the city then? We walked from the Korean steakhouse for 30 minutes all the way into where the area where the show was, and we didn't even get a good view of the fireworks. There were buildings blocking the way and it was so annoying. No finale, that makes it even worse. Honestly, the finale should have been this. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna run out of storage soon. I gotta make this last for another 3 days. But yeah, this is officially day 1 concluded. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell so that you know every time I upload a video. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.